In today's video, I'm going to plant seeds, and in this one, I'm going to do cantaloupe. This one, I'm going to do bell peppers, pumpkins. Sorry, there's two. Like, yeah. And if you're wondering where I got this, I planted strawberries, and this is what they came in. And then tomatoes in this one. So I want to start more stuff from seed. I'm going to set this up somewhere so I can film myself doing this. So yeah. Okay. So I'm going to start planting. This is the cantaloupe, and I'm putting 3 in, just in case, and I will thin it out or separate it. No, I already watered this soil, just so. So I'm gonna plant 3. No, I'm going to be putting these inside, and I will show you that. Actually, I'm going to plant only 1 pumpkin. For the last year, the pumpkins gave a lot. No, this is something I learned from Epic Garden. I'll link the short in the video, but I'm going to use these. You like cut a little bit off of hair so water gets in it faster. And yeah. It's like that. It's not a lot. Like, cause yeah. I'll make a video, a short about how seeds lock soon. Don't count me on that. But yeah. No, you would do that is so water can get in it quicker. I've never started tomatoes by seed, so I'm just gonna hope. Yeah. Alright. So, yeah, I'm just planting 3. Yeah, maybe 4. Yeah. Oh. And pumpkin seed fine. I actually don't start stuff by seed often. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm putting this on the table, and I'm no, what I'm doing is very dangerous, but I just want to show you how I'm doing. Now, you would normally do this with prunes and not with this, but you want that. Oh, hey, Duke. Alright, let me show you my dog, and then, yeah. No, the leaves come out on here, so that's why I'm planting it. I think so. I hope so. Alright, I'm gonna show you my dog. This is my good boy Duke. He likes head pats and belly pats. He is you're a very good boy, aren't you? Alright, so I'm gonna now show you where I'm gonna put them so they can hopefully germinate. Alright, so these are the squash and pumpkins. These are the peppers, and these are the tomatoes, and that's the cantaloupe. Having them here for this above light, and that's what really matters. And I can plug in a fan so that it can be blowing that way. So yeah, and I'll make some updates soon because you guys want to know how this is. I'm going to plant these in my garden soon, for that's the time of year. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.